Things to look for when purchasing an air conditioning installation. Air conditioning installation is much preferred by many people, especially during hot seasons, even if they deprive themselves from the fresh air of the outdoors. Installation of the unit is the activation or placing of an operational and functioning electrical appliance that removes hot air from inside a closed structure and replacing it with a cold one. It is important to have a functioning unit of an air conditioner, especially in summer's hot months, to comfort us from the energy-draining heat, but this has a consequence. Any altered matter from nature is classified as artificial. Fresh air, whether hot or cold, is still the best air for us. This electrical appliance provides artificial cold air to a certain area. By the way, there are appropriate air conditioners to be installed in accordance to the different settings. Cars have a certain unit designed for them, houses have theirs too, and the list goes on. Manufacturers have many factors that be based from in making their product. Design engineers consider to what specific venue the electrical appliance should be installed. They first determine the highest possible number of people of a place or the highest number of occupants. Once the number of occupants of a venue is known, a particular size and strength or capacity of the unit is recommended for the place with respect to the tables and the calculations of professionals in this line. With the structure's design, the most ideal part of it, where the air conditioner must be installed accurately, have to be identified in order to achieve the utmost expected performance of the unit. Buildings need bigger models of air conditioning systems because of large number of occupants that need to be accommodated by its function. The units in this matter are mounted on rooftops to save space. Vehicles, on the other hand, have another kind of air conditioning units. Again, the number of occupants is to be determined. Since the appliance relies on the electrical system of the car, the input or needed electric current for these kinds are in accordance to the car's battery. With the automobile's engine, the air conditioning unit is relatively small and must fit to a portion of the car where space is so limited. As for bigger vehicles, the unit for cooling air inside the passenger compartment is specially mounted on another part of the vehicle. Unlike the cars that is mounted near the engine, the bigger vehicles require larger units of air conditioning system. Therefore, another space for the larger model to fit must be decided. The size of this model would not fit near the engine. However, the bus is more spacious and there are more areas where this unit could be mounted. Air conditioning installation must fit to the intended area and must also look presentable. The air conditioning installation, http://www.airconditioninginstallation.net/ along with air conditioning unit prices, http://www.airconditioningunitprices.com/ are the best internet sites to get started at any time browsing for these kind of products. Article source, https://easyinarticles.com/expert/Tommy_cost/7333968